Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule scenarios in Make in 2026. Scheduling your scenarios allows your automations to run automatically at specific times or intervals without requiring any manual work. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, open the scenario that you want to schedule. Next, make sure your scenario is fully configured and tested. Click Run once to confirm that every module works correctly before enabling automatic scheduling. Now look for the scheduling section near the bottom or top of the scenario editor, depending on your workspace layout. Click it to open the scheduling options. Next, choose how often you want the scenario to run. You can schedule it to run immediately after data arrives, at regular intervals such as every 15 minutes or every hour, or at a specific date and time, depending on your workflow. If available, customize additional scheduling settings such as the time zone, execution interval, or start time to match your automation requirements. Once you've finished configuring the schedule, click Save to apply your changes. Then switch the scenario on so Make can begin running it automatically according to your selected schedule. Finally, monitor the execution history to verify that the scenario runs successfully at the expected times and make adjustments whenever necessary. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule scenarios in Make step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.